Sarah Tomlinson, and I am one of the youth representatives here at ACC. I originally come from Scotland, but I'm a youth worker in London. Though I don't represent Scotland, I represent all the young people in the communion at this meeting. So that has two kind of main points. Firstly, I get to feed in as a young person to all the decisions that are made here at ACC, which means I do a lot of talking and listening and engaging within the group discussions that we have here. The other thing is that I represent the International Anglican Youth Network, and that at this meeting has meant bringing forward a motion about youth engagement. We had a debate on that this week and the ACC voted to adopt our resolution, which means supporting youth ministry and youth engagement through programs and initiatives, through prayer and bringing young people into the spiritual life of the communion, by appointing representatives who will go to represent young people at the network meetings, and also by organising regional events, so young people and people who work with young people in the church can learn from one another, join together, express solidarity with one another, etc. So we were incredibly pleased that that passed yesterday. Since then and around the meeting, I've just generally been talking to people and getting involved with all the conversations that are going on about the instruments of communion, which have been really interesting. So right now we're trying to look at, do we need to re-envisage the instruments of communion? How do they work for us? How can we fine-tune them? And obviously there's been a lot of discussion about the covenant as well. This meeting here in Auckland has been incredibly positive. It's been fun to be part of. Everyone's really getting on very well, and it's been a great spirit working through this. We've also had a lot of services, Bible study together, and of course a great many meals, which I have enjoyed immensely. So all in all, ACC has been really positive, and we do still have some work to get done, lots more resolutions to look at on really positive initiatives. But what we have done so far has been great, so I'm very enthused by the communion.